Hello students, welcome back to my class. I am Mohammad Asim, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you the subject honeysuckle. In honeysuckle the chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is Who I Am. And the topic, the chapter is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. I will teach you part 1 in two parts also because it can't be completed, part 1 can't be completed in one part. So I will divide part 1 into two subparts and part 2 will be taught in only one part. So today's topic is part 1. In part 1 there is different voices. The first part, the name of the first part is the different voices. As you know, voices, awaz. So in first part we are going to study about different voices. In this chapter it is said that we are all different in some way, but we all have some qualities of our own, but our qualities are differ from each other. One may have a different kind of quality, the other may have a different kind of quality, but all of us have any quality. All the students, all the persons here you can say in this world have any quality in him or her. So this chapter is related to tell us in this chapter there are, in part 1 there are few students who are telling us about themselves. What do they like, what do they don't like, what do they want to be in future, what are the likes, dislikes, and what are the things that they want to do in their life. This is the main motive, this is the main here you can say this is the main outline of this chapter, of this part, different voices. Here a few students, a few boys and girls, here you can say a few children. In those children, the first one is Radha. The first one is Radha. In your book, page number 69. Page number 69, and the first one is Radha. I am going to read the paragraph and also explain it. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Radha tell us that her favorite activity is climbing trees. She wants to climb trees. This is her favorite activity. As you also must have any kind of activity. You all students must have many likes and dislikes. There may be the things that you like to do, that may be climbing trees, playing football, running. There may be any kind of things that you may like. So my favorite activity is climbing trees. Radha's favorite activity is to climb the tree. And just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. And outside of Radha's house there is a mango tree. There is a mango tree outside of Radha's house, and she many times she goes, here you can say she goes to that tree and climb on it. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. Here it is one thing, comfortably. The meaning of comfortably, comfortably is easily. And there is one more word, fork. Fork means F-O-R-K, intersection. इंटरसेक्शन, फोर्क मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन, इंटरसेक्शन जहाँ से दो ब्रांचेस अलग अलग निकलती हैं उसको फोर्क या इंटरसेक्शन कहते हैं। सो इट्स ब्रांचेज स्प्रेड आउट, दैट ट्री इज अ बिग ट्री एंड द ब्रांचेज ऑफ दैट ट्री इज स्प्रेड आउट एवरीवेयर, मीन्स देयर आर मेनी ब्रांचेस ऑन दैट ट्री, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and because of the branches of the tree it is simple to climb on that tree. That's why Radha easily can climb up on that tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches, and she can also sit between the intersections between the forks of the two branches. दो branches के बीच में जो इंटरसेक्शन हो जाता है, जो जगह बन जाती है, वहाँ पर वो आसानी से बैठ सकती है। My mother tells me it is not sensible. It is not sensible. Sensible means able to feel. It is not sensible. Here you can also say good. It is not sensible. It is not good. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. Raw, R-A-W, raw, you can say raw, kacha. So, my mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. Radha's mother always tells her that climbing on the trees is not good for the girls. Girls shouldn't climb on the trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too. But one afternoon, what happened? Her mother also climbed up the tree along with the Radha. And on that day, Radha was much happy. She was very happy because her mother was also with her, and she was not scolding on that day that Radha is climbing on the tree. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. And both of us, means Radha and her mother, both were sitting on the tree for a long time. They were talking, they talked with each other, and they also eaten the raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. When I am high up in the tree, whenever Radha climbed up on the highest point of the tree, she thought that, she thinks that, she feels that she can rule the whole world. She can rule the whole world. She can rule the whole world. वो पूरी दुनिया पर क्या है, हुकूमत कर सकती है जब भी वो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर जाती है। These are the thinkings, these are the doings, these are the thinkings of Radha, these are the things that she like to do. Now come to the next one. The next is a boy. The name of that boy is Nasir. The name of the boy is Nasir. Nasir tells us that when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Nasir tells us that when he will grow up, when he will be younger, when he will be younger than now, at that time she will become a seed collector. Seed collector? He wants to be seed collector. Seed collector means a person who collects the seed. Seed collector का मतलब वो व्यक्ति जो सीड को, जो बीजों को इकट्ठा करता है, जिसके जो है हम बाद में यूज़ करते हैं जो है खेतों की बुआई के लिए. So when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. Why he want to be the seed collector? Because we have cotton fields in our village. Nasir has cotton field in his village. His parents do the here you can say they were farming the cotton. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds. And every year Nasir's father spent a lot of money on buying the seeds. नासिर के पिता जो है हर साल सीड को जो है बीजों को खरीदने में बहुत से पैसे लगा देते हैं. एंड on buying new seeds to grow our cotton fields, to grow the cotton fields. To grow the cotton fields, every year Nasir's parents, Nasir's father spent a lot of money. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow. Sown, S-O-W-N, it is the past participle of sow. So could be sown to grow new. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants. Nasir's grandfather told him that many years ago they were not buying the seeds from the market. They could grow the seeds in their own fields from their own plants. The seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants, which could be sown, जिनकी बुआई की जा सकती थी. For what? To grow the new plants, नए पौधों के लिए. To grow the new plants during the next year. During the next year, अगले साल, जिनका यूज़ वो सीड, he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. They could grow their own seeds which could be used into the next year for planting the cotton. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. But today, nowadays, it is not possible. We are not able to sow our own, we are not able to grow our own seeds in our fields. That's why we have to spend a lot of money for buying the seeds every year. Every single year, every year. Every year we spend a lot of money for buying the cotton seeds. I want to find out why that is so, and Nasir want to find out the reason that why is it not possible now to collect the seeds from their own fields. This is the this is the thing that Nasir want to do in his life. Find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve. Preserve, the meaning of preserve is protect, to protect. किसी चीज को बचाना, किसी चीज को बचा कर रखना. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. Now Nasir want to know how can he preserve, how can he protect the seeds in his own field, that he can get the seeds from his own fields and he has not to spend the money for buying the seeds from the market, that we can use them again. He wants to learn how to collect, how to preserve, how to save. Here you can say how to save, not only protect or save, how to save the seeds so that they can use the seeds of their own fields, that they don't need to buy the seeds from the market them again and not spend money every year, and in that way can save more money that they spend buying the seeds from the market. Now the next one is Rohit. The next one is Rohit. Let us see what does he like to do in his life. Rohit said that if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. Means he wants to travel, he wants to go everywhere, he wants to see the whole world, he wants to travel and travel. Rohit want to be a traveler. So if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. If he had a huge amount, huge, you can say large or many. Huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. अगर मेरे पास पैसा होता बहुत तो मैं क्या है सफ़र करता, यहाँ वहाँ जाता. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in a magazine picture. He saw a magazine picture, and in that magazine picture there was a scene of the mountains of New Zealand, and it was much attracted to Rohit that he wanted to go and see that mountain with his real eyes, not on into the magazines. He also wanted to go and see those mountains in New Zealand. Look beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America. He also wanted to sail down, sail, जब हम नाव, किश्ती या शिप से जाते हैं तो उसके लिए हम सेल का यूज़ करते हैं. I could sail down the Amazon River in South America. He also wanted to sail down, he also wanted to travel into the Amazon River, which is situated in America, on a raft. Raft is a kind of boat. He wanted to sail down, he wanted to travel into the Amazon River also, that is situated in America. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. Coral is a hard substance, a hard substance. He also wanted to, I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep. He also wanted to travel, wanted to go and enjoy on the beaches of Lakshadweep, and I should go to, and he also wanted to dive down to see coral. He also wanted to dive into the sea, that he can see the coral in the sea, because these are the likes, these are the things that Rohit wanted to do. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa, or the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. He also said that I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa. He also wanted to go to see the Konark temple in Orissa. Means he likes to travel everywhere. He likes to see the things that that are attracted him. There are many things in this world that attracted Rohit to see those things. In those things, there is the Konark temple in Orissa, or the old city in Beijing in China. He also wanted to go to the China and see the old city of Beijing. He is much interested in these kinds of things, on seeing these kinds of things, and the pyramids in Egypt too. He also wanted to go to see the pyramids of Egypt. Perhaps you have heard about the pyramids of Egypt. Pyramids, the structure of pyramids is like that. So pyramids of Egypt, which are thousands of years old, the pyramids of Egypt are also thousands of years old. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. But he wants to see the old buildings, but he wants to see the natural things more than the old buildings. He also wanted to see the old buildings, but apart from the old buildings, he wanted to see the natural things. He is much attracted by the natural things. That's why he wanted to go into the nature and enjoy the beauty of the nature. These are the things that Rohit wanted to do in his life. Thank you for today. Now my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.